Manifestation 101. Let's go. Okay, I have my notes in here, right, with me, and we're going to talk about manifestation basics because there's so many misinformation online, especially on TikTok, which is so freaking crazy to me. So, right now, I'm here to help you learn and understand manifestation and manifestation basis because this is something that so many people need to learn because otherwise their manifestation will fail. So, if you're ready, let's go. The first and most important thing is that we are manifesting all the time. This is not like a special tool, like a special thing that some people can do and others cannot, because this is not true. Everyone can do it. It is so natural for us, but we're not learning about this at school because why would they allow us to learn about this? To manifest whatever we want, manifest our deepest dreams, right? So you need to understand that we are manifesting all the time. And this is also called shifting. Like there are so many people on TikTok telling like how to shift, techniques to shift. Like you are shifting every single second. And this is something that we are not realizing that we are actually doing, but our mind is so freaking powerful and this is second nature to us. So it is so natural for us and we don't even realizing it that we are actually doing it, but we are truly doing it. And yeah, there may be techniques to shift to your desired reality, but you are always shifting. Um, there's no like learning how to shift. No, there's no such a thing like that. You're always shifting, you're always manifesting, and your reality is a mirror of your mind and of your subconscious beliefs. So when you actually understand this, everything changes for you. So that leads to a second manifestation principle, and that is that your mind is a mirror. Everything that is around you, environment, people, friendships, all of that is a mirror of your mind. So whatever beliefs you have, they are being projected into your surroundings, like your environment, your friendships, where you live, like what people are surrounding you. There is no coincidence. All those people and all those opportunities that are surrounding you right now are here for a reason. And you are the reason. And this is something that you have to realize because everything is happening for you all the time. The third one is that manifestation is not a skill. It's not. Everyone can do it. Everyone was born this way. We all have the ability to manifest our dream life. We're already doing it, but we are not aware of it. By understanding all of those principles and by understanding how the manifestation and the law of attraction works, you can start to rewrite your story and you can start to rewrite your own life. You can finally take a wheel into your own hands and start navigating your life the way you want to. The fourth one, like attracts like. When I say that your life is a pure mirror of your mind, that is so true. The way you are, the way your vibration is attracting whatever you need to attract into your life. It's not complicated at all. It's actually very simple. Like attracts like. The way you feel, the way you are, the way your beliefs are. You're attracting what you need to attract because like attracts like. You're like a magnet searching for or just finding the best opportunities for you. Everything is happening for you. Like this is literally literal. And last but not least is taking action is actually crucial. It's crucial for you to manifest something that you truly want. Because yeah, you are manifesting all the time, every single second, every single day, without even realizing. But if you want to manifest a specific thing, if you really want to match that frequency to yours and bring it here into your present reality, you need to do something for it. It's not going to magically appear right in front of you like this. This is not how it works. Like, it may work. In some cases, like, you would be surprised how you can receive whatever you want, but in most cases, like 99% of the cases, you have to do something for it. You really should. And so many people think that when they are doing like visualizing and scripting and all of those kind of techniques and all of it, and manifestation is still not here, they blame that it doesn't work. When you are believe that it's not working, it's not working. It's not going to work. When you believe that you are not worthy, same thing. When you believe that you cannot manifest that car, you cannot. Everything lies within your mind. Your mind is the limit, always. Taking action is something that you truly, truly have to do, because how are you going to buy the car? How are you going to buy the house? You need to physically see a few houses. You need to physically see the cars. You need to physically go somewhere. Maybe meet new people, maybe look for new opportunities. Listen to your gut, listen to your intuition, but you are manifesting already. You are shifting already. You're doing it all the time subconsciously. This is not a skill. This is not something special. If someone can manifest their dream reality, I'm sure that you can manifest your deepest desires too. If you want more of these videos, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see content like this. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.